Hey everybody, Jem Schofield of the C47 and another episode of Gearbox 2.0. In this episode, we're going to be talking about two of my favorite pieces of kit, the Matthews Mini Grip Head and the Mini MATHELLINI. So let's get started. All right, boys and girls, it may not be a milestone, but it is double digits. It's episode 10 of Gearbox 2.0, and I came back from New York just a couple of days ago thinking it was going to be the XT3, but there is so much stuff going on here that I thought I'd have to bang out a pretty quick episode. And what did I think about? Well, I thought about these two pieces of kit that go with me everywhere in my productions. So what are they? Well, they are the Mini Grip Head from Matthews. It is a composite-based material, and it is just a smaller version of that grip head, that knuckle that you're used to using when you are using a C-stand and arms. And then a Mini MATHELLINI clamp, which is essentially a very small version of the MATHELLINI clamp or Cardellini clamp that you are used to using in your productions. If you're not, you should look into those. They're very handy. I also have a fly here today. I don't know what it's doing in here. I have to get rid of that sucker at some point. So, how do I use these? Well, I use them for a few different things, but I'm going to show you three applications which are the most common for me when I am using them in production. The first one is for reflectors. So I have a couple of reflectors here. This one, unfortunately, is not made anymore. It's made by a company called Creative Light. And what I love about it is it has a handle. I have another one over here, which I think is still made, which is a LASTOLITE reflector, which also has a handle. I wish more companies would make reflectors with handles to grip onto. I think it's a patent thing, honestly. So let's go ahead and open this up. And you're just going to take the jaw of the Mini MATHELLINI, and then you're basically going to, by the way, this is basically the world's smallest C-stand. It's made by AVENGER. It's the A0003. I think they still make this one as well. Who knows? That's also a cool piece of kit. So you basically just open up the jaw here, you clamp onto it, and the beautiful thing is that when you're using these in conjunction with each other, you can position your reflector any way that you want, and it will hold into that position. So lock and load. There we go. Okay, so that's application number one. The second application, let me show you that. These guys right here, road rags. You know about road rags? We'll have to do another episode on that. They make road rags and road rags 2, also made by Matthews, by the way. Really modifiers for, in my case, interior type applications. When you're using this, you're not going to use the Mini MATHELLINI. It's just the grip head. It's going to go into here. Don't forget righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. This happens to be a double net, and then I can just adjust this where I want it to be, and Bob's your uncle. So that is the second application of using the Mini Grip Head, and in this case, of course, we're not using the Mini MATHELLINI, as I said. And then the last application, you're going to hear a sound. I'm dropping this on the floor. There you go. Is this charts. We use these for charts all of the time. So when we are in production and we need to get a chart up, sometimes we're hand holding these, sometimes we're setting them up for multiple cameras. So again, just a Mini Grip Head, and I'm just going to put that gingerly onto this world's smallest C-stand. Maybe it's not the world's smallest C-stand, but I'm going to say it is right now. And there it is. There's your chart, ready to go. Let's roll on the chart. I don't know. It's pretty cool. So you can see that there's a few of these on the table. I have more of them. I have tons of these Mini Grip Heads, tons of these Mini MATHELLINI clamps. They have tons of uses. I'll put a link to them below the fold. Subscribe to the channel. Check out the live stream we do every Wednesday, 6 p.m. Eastern with Caleb Pike, Ben Barden, and myself. It's called Cameron Flask. And I'll see you guys next time on Gearbox.